friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
Demodex, parasite mite. The word demodex is derived from the Greek words demos, fat, and dex, worm. There are two types of demodex in humans. Demodex folliculorum. Demodex bruis. These two asymptomatic parasites live in human pilosebaceous units and rob the skin and hair of needed resources such as sebum, vitamins, minerals and amino acids. Due to demodex's great interest in fat and feeding on it, they tend to be present in the oily parts of the skin, hair follicles, sebaceous glands, eyelids, cheeks, forehead and on the nose. Tea tree oil, TTO, and its component terpenin 4-OL, T4O, are effective in modulating the problems associated with demodex mites. Possible effects of using TTO: reduce the number of parasites, relief of related symptoms, and modulation of the immune system, especially the inflammatory response. Demodex features. Demodex folliculorum are about 0.3 to 0.4 mm long, and are usually located in hair follicles. Demodex brevis, on the other hand, is a small mite, and it is normally found in the sebaceous, oil glands, and meibomian, glands located in the eyelids. Proliferation of the mite parasite. Demodex parasites develop shortly after birth through breastfeeding and the presence of these parasites on the nipple. Because their food sources become more abundant with the proliferation of sebaceous glands during puberty, their number increases. These parasites are easily transmitted through skin contact. Parasite density is usually low in healthy skin, however treatment is required. When the density of parasites reaches a certain threshold, in elderly people or people with immune disorders, demodecosis develops and causes problems such as itching, burning, hair loss, acne. It will cause wrinkles, inflammation, etc. Therapeutic effect of tea tree oil. According to the researchers, the medical treatment methods of demodecosis, especially oral drugs, are associated with moderate to severe side effects and can be clearly harmful, especially in patients with liver and kidney disorders. Accordingly, tea tree oil, which is an essential oil extracted by steam distillation from the leaves and terminal branches of an Australian native plant, Melaleuca alternifolia, has been used for many years for its observed benefits to the skin. The natives of Australia have been noticed. TTO is made of 14 monoprenes, the most abundant of which is terpenin 4L. TTO shows favorable results in the management of human demodecosis due to its antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, wound healing and immune system, anti-cancer effects. The anti-demodecosis effect of TTO has not yet been fully determined, but TTO can disrupt various membrane structures such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and enveloped viruses due to its lipophilic properties. But the question that arises is, what harm does the TTO structure do to the parasites? Physicochemical properties of tea tree oil include hydrophilic hydrocarbon compounds with sufficient lipophilicity to allow the oil to partition into biological membranes, an enclosing membrane that acts as a barrier, and form a bilayer extension. Therefore, the ingredients of TTO easily spread throughout the hydrophobic lipid layers of the cell membrane of the microbe and cause disruption in integrity and function, increase fluidity, loss of permeability and inhibition of membrane enzymes, and finally the cell loses repair enzymes and cell death. Germs occur. The microbicidal properties of active monoterpenes can be mainly attributed to the disruption of the barrier function of the microbial cell membrane. Therefore, the microbe cell will not be able to transport solutes and regulate metabolism.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.